kids, I'm Courtney Ralston and I am very pleased to be back sharing another recipe from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. In partnership with Coles, these recipes are designed to inspire you kids to get in the kitchen and do some beautiful cooking with some seasonal produce. Now we are into the festive season now, the weather's warming up, the sun is shining, and for me, my favorite summer fruit is these guys, mangoes. I love their perfume flavor. They're great in salads. They're great as a snack after a swim at the beach. They're also really good in drinks. So today's recipe is one of Stephanie's favorites. We are making a delicious summer mango lassi. To kickstart the recipe, as always, I've got really clean hands. I've given them a good wash. I've also got a wet cloth that I'm popping underneath my chopping board. And that wet cloth just stops my board from moving around. It gives me a really safe area to cut my mangoes on. So this is a super quick and easy recipe, and it's a really delicious one on a hot day. All we really need to do is to cut our mangoes. So I'm just gonna make a half portion of the recipe today. So I've got one beautiful ripe summer mango, and there's a couple of different ways you can cut a mango, but I'm gonna show you my favorite way. This is where the mango has been hanging from the tree, and inside the mango is a seed. So I'm just gonna very carefully, tucking my fingers in, I'm gonna cut down around the side of the seed to give me a really beautiful big cheek of mango. Cut around the seed as close as you can so we don't waste any flesh. Cheek of mango, and that's our seeded part. Now to get the flesh out for this recipe, I'm going to use a big spoon, and I'm just going to run the spoon around the skin of the mango. So there we have it, a really nice clean skin piece of mango, and then our gorgeous cheek of mango that we can pop down on the flat side, and then we can just roughly dice it up. Now, if you're wondering what is a lassi, it's basically a really popular drink served over in India, and it's similar to an Australian smoothie. So we're using a mixture of yogurt, ice, fruit, a little bit of honey to sweeten. I'm going to pop all of our mango flesh into a jug, or if you've got a blender, that would be great. I like my lassis really cold, so I'm going to put a few cubes of ice in. This is optional. I'm going to sweeten with just about half a teaspoon of honey. The mango is naturally quite sweet. Lassis always contain yogurt. This is a lovely cooling drink to have during summer. So I need about 250 grams of yogurt. And just to help our lassi blend, I'm going to add in some water. It's as simple as that. All we need to do now is to blitz this until it's beautiful and cream and smooth and ice cold. So you might want to get one of the adults to help you out with this part. But here's some noisy work. We're just going to blend this until we have a beautiful golden lassi. Beautiful and creamy and smooth. I've got a couple of serving glasses here. I'm just going to pour it into them. Yum. Now just to garnish our lassis, and because we can get a little bit fancy as well, I've got some mint leaves here. So I'm just going to break off a few mint leaves and pop them into the glass. I've got a couple of paper straws. Don't they look incredible? That is the mango lassi recipe from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. An absolute treat to have during the festive season. Perfect on a warm summer's day, and so easy to make. It is the best drink to make use of those beautiful seasonal mangoes. I highly encourage you kids to get in the kitchen and make this one. It is a delicious recipe. I'll see you again very soon for some more fantastic recipes. Cheers. I that is a good drink.